often think about ways to keep the reader engaged, except I sometimes don't think about that. And I do drive editors crazy. And what I mean by that is, I think you need to write the piece that you have uncovered with your reporting. And you need to make it the way that you want to. So if you are given 1,500 words on a magazine or online blog to go ahead and do this subject, and you've done the reporting and you turn it in and you think you have something fresh to say, I believe that the readers are going to be hooked by what I have to report. Do I know that that's successful all the time? No, but I'm never changing it or jazzing it up or making it extra spicy or trying to do something as a cheap trick to keep the readers there. I'm hoping that I can hook them in the beginning with something fresh and different, tell them up front that I have uncovered something or I'm giving them a spin on this that they haven't read everywhere else 10 times, and that's going to be interesting enough to get them into the piece. And once they're in the piece, the storytelling that you have is what's going to hold them. And if your storytelling is good, I don't care if you're writing about a car repair shop down the street that's defrauded people, or you're writing about a major government billion-dollar busted program that went down the drain. Whatever you're writing about, good storytelling will hold the reader.